Welcome to iThrive Academy and Research Center, where your journey to mastering functional nutrition begins. At iArc, we integrate cutting-edge science with tried and tested knowledge to create a revolutionary approach to healthcare. Are you ready to transform your understanding of health and wellness? Our certification in functional nutrition is a comprehensive 4-month online journey divided into 12 detailed modules, each designed to address specific health systems and conditions. Let's break down what all is actually covered in the 12 modules. The first module of the human body provides the perfect foundational overview of human anatomy and physiology, emphasizing the structure, function, and basic terminology related to the human body. It sets the stage for a deeper understanding of the complex biological systems that will be explored in subsequent modules. The Functional Nutrients and Dietary Supplements module is a cornerstone for anyone eager to explore the fundamentals of nutrition and delve deeper into it. You get to learn all about the macro and micronutrients, or what we like to call the real M&Ms of health. Beyond the basics, it also provides practical insights into dietary supplements, teaching you how to effectively incorporate them into practice. The module of nutrients and their metabolic pathways unlocks the various levels of a unique maze of our body's metabolism by going through its fascinating pathways of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. For anyone who experiences jitters when they hear the word biochemistry, this is where all your worries dissolve. The way this module has been designed, it can easily make biochemistry your second language. Ever looked at your blood reports and felt like all seemed Greek? Well, the module of Functional Blood Chemistry Analysis is designed just to decode this code. This course is designed to teach you how to accurately interpret blood reports across various panels, which includes your complete blood count, iron, infection and inflammation markers, as well as panels for glucose, lipid, liver, kidney, thyroid, hormones, and markers of oxidative stress. Gain the knowledge and confidence to understand what these tests are telling you about your health. The module of health dysfunctions dives into understanding the various lifestyle disorders commonly plaguing mankind, their pathophysiologies, root causes, and what can be the tests we can use to diagnose these. Nutrients and foods take center stage in the module of functional nutrition therapy, where you learn about the superstar ingredients of disease reversal, debunk nutrition myths, and get to put your knowledge into practice with case studies. This module truly embodies Hippocrates' principle of let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food, equipping you with the necessary expertise to harness the therapeutic power of food. Given the pivotal role of our gut, often referred to as the body's second brain, we devote an entire module to it in our course. This module views gut health through the lens of functional nutrition, providing insights into maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, understanding dysbiosis, and exploring the gut's critical interaction with the other organs of the body. Additionally, it covers advanced diagnostic tests specific to gut health and more, equipping you with a thorough understanding of this essential system. It's startling to realize the extent to which we are engulfed by toxins in our everyday environments. The Functional Detoxification module is designed to deepen your understanding of these pervasive substances, illuminating the sources and effects of common toxins found in our food, water, air, and personal care products. You'll learn not only to identify these toxins, but also to develop effective detoxification protocols to mitigate their impact on your health. The significance of the mind-body connection in the process of disease creation cannot be overstated. Our module on mental health, the nervous system, and functional nutrition is meticulously crafted to explore the intricate relationship. It delves into how psychological factors, stress, and mental health influence physical health, potentially leading to the development or aggravation of disease conditions. At our academy, we aim to provide more than just nutritional knowledge. We focus on integrating this knowledge into your professional practice. Our health coaching module is designed not only to teach you about nutrition, but also to guide you in leadership and empower you to establish your own business. This comprehensive approach ensures you are well prepared to venture into the world of health and wellness as a confident and skilled practitioner. If you think that diet alone determines your health, you might want to consider another factor, which is electromagnetic fields or EMFs. In our module on everyday EMF and health, we delve into the nature of EMFs and their potential impact on your health. We also provide practical strategies and tips to help you minimize their effect. This comprehensive module equips you with the knowledge and tools to safeguard your health against electromagnetic exposure. While a nutritious diet is crucial for health, it must be paired with an active lifestyle for optimal well-being. This is a core principle behind our functional movement module. This course is designed to understand the distinctions between exercise and movement, exploring the concept of movement hierarchy, learning about stability and mobility, and discovering how to integrate natural, functional movements into daily life to enhance your health. And if you thought that was all, then do we have a sweet surprise for you. You also get to learn how to hone your research skills, food politics, virome, and also about the vaccine detox in our course. The development of our comprehensive syllabus was driven by a lot of factors. Recognizing the fact that many individuals interested in learning about health might lack a formal educational background, we deliberately start with the basics to make the learning accessible to everyone, which also includes people from non-science backgrounds. This foundational approach addresses a gap often overlooked in many other courses, where a deep dive into advanced topics like blood tests occurs without sufficient preliminary knowledge. Moreover, we believe that understanding health extends beyond just food and nutrition. It encompasses a broader spectrum of knowledge, which is why our curriculum is designed to provide a well-rounded education that prepares learners to meaningfully impact health and wellness.